High-wall mining is still considered in its infancy by today's world mining industry standards. The technology took some giant strides in the last decade of the 20th century, improving safety and increasing coal recovery. In this short video, we hope to introduce you to some of the many applications which use the ADKAR high-wall mining system. This patented mining system is so innovative that it continues to lead the world in high-wall mining. The system was originally developed to recover coal from final high walls of surface mines in the Appalachian Mountain region of the United States. The system has been used extensively in the eastern U.S. coal fields since its development. More recently, the system has found acceptance as a low-cost producer and method of recovery of coal reserves in western U.S. mining operations. Let's begin with the description of an ADKAR system. It is comprised of a continuous miner, ADKAR conveyor cars, a wheel loader with forklift attachment, a water tanker, and a launch vehicle. Either mainline power or a diesel generating set provides electric power. An air compressor may be required for ventilation. The continuous miners used in the ADKAR system are designed and built in our manufacturing shops. Certain areas of these machines have been designed to withstand the increased sump forces encountered in high-wall mining. The ADKAR conveyor cars are individual units which form a cascading conveyor system reaching the required depth. Each 40-foot long car contains a motor and gearbox to drive its own belt. Both the continuous miner and conveyor cars are equipped with components approved for underground use. The launch vehicle is the centerpiece of the whole operation. The continuous miner is propelled from it into the coal seam, followed by the ADKAR conveyor cars. The canopy of the launch vehicle provides a safe working environment, in addition to being the platform for the electrical power center and the cable and hose reels. The secondary canopies are designed and tested using falling object protection standards. A hydraulic power back and the operator's cab are located at the rear of the launch vehicle. The machine operator is housed in a climate-controlled cab with a window to observe the launch vehicle base and a bank of television monitors, which show the miner cutter head, and a view of the conveyor discharge. The operator controls mining using a radio remote unit. ADKAR systems are equipped with an in-scene navigation system named Porta. The computer screen in the cab provides the operator with real-time values of heading deviation, pillar thickness, miner pitch and roll. In layman's terms, this data enables the operator to keep the miner on the desired path, to maintain planned pillar widths. Some mining plans include the need to leave a layer of coal on the floor. When this is necessary, a coal thickness sensor is provided on the continuous miner, and the resulting coal thickness is displayed on the computer screen. The safety of all workers is a key feature of the ADKAR high-wall mining system. No employees work underground, resulting in no risk of roof fall injuries. no respirable dust dangers, no exposure to lethal gases. All work done near the high wall is performed under FOPS canopies. While the efficiency of the system can be described in words and numbers, the best way to understand its abilities is to watch the ADKAR system in action. The mining cycle begins with the placement of the ADKAR system in a pit, which has been created during normal surface mining operations. The seam is surveyed to determine entry positions. The launch vehicle is positioned at the high wall on the proper heading. The continuous miner is propelled into the coal seam using its own traction and thrust provided by propulsion cylinders mounted on the sides of the launch vehicle. Cut coal is conveyed through the continuous miner onto the first conveyor car, which discharges onto the main conveyor belt of the launch vehicle. The coal then travels onto the stacker conveyor, which either loads trucks or creates a stockpile on the ground. As the continuous miner and first conveyor car advance into the entry, the loader operator retrieves a conveyor car from the storage area and positions it over the main conveyor belt. The launch crew connects the electrical cables and starts the conveyor on the new car. After the preceding car is clear, the new car is lowered into place, and the crew pins it to the previous car. This cycle is repeated until full depth is reached. After the entry is finished, each car is removed and placed in the storage area. After all the cars are removed, the miner and the first car are backed onto the launch vehicle and is moved over and aligned in preparation for the next entry. The ADKAR system is extremely mobile. A system can be moved from pit to pit in a matter of hours, or from mine to mine in a day or two. We are constantly striving to increase production, which led us to the development of a range of continuous miners specifically built for high-wall mining, capable of high production in seams as low as 38 inches and as high as 14 feet. The model HWH-1000 cuts from 6 feet to 14 feet with 49-inch cutter drums powered by two 350 horsepower motors. It has a 48-inch wide conveyor chain. Systems using this machine can produce up to 300,000 tons per month. This machine is affectionately known as the High Wall Hog. The model HWH-800 mid-seam hog cuts from 50 inches to 11 feet. It has 45-inch cutter drums driven by a pair of 275 horsepower motors. It has a 38-inch conveyor chain. A normal month with this machine is 150 to 200,000 tons. The model HWH-600 low seam hog cuts from 38 inches to 6 feet. It has 32-inch cutter drums. Twin 200 horsepower motors provide cutting power. It has a 30-inch conveyor chain. Up to 80,000 tons per month can be expected from the Losine home. Monthly production has reached levels in excess of 400,000 tons of raw coal. Of course, this record output does not happen every month, but it does illustrate the capability of this unique system. Our engineering and manufacturing facilities are located at our plant in Boyd County, Kentucky. Our engineering staff has an average of 25 years' experience in the design of underground coal cutting equipment. Designs are produced using our state-of-the-art computer software. The major ADCAR system components, launch vehicle, conveyor cars, and continuous miners are fabricated and assembled in-house. The plant has been customized to facilitate the construction of this rugged equipment. When you choose the ADCAR system, you are provided with more than a high-tech machine. We help you become a more efficient, low-cost coal producer. The options we offer our customers include contract mining, lease, or purchase agreements. Coal mining has come a long way from the methods used in the past. Today, being in the coal business means being in a highly competitive environment. The ADCAR high-wall mining system can help your company move to a higher level in both productivity and profitability, while creating a safer working environment.